everyone. Who are you? I hope it's all right, okay? Oh yeah, stay safe and stay healthy during COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. I am Alif Agus Nyata Pondika, who will guide you about Jalang Bali. So, before we discuss about Pecalang in Bali, Bali is located between Java Island and Lombok Island. The majority Bali population are Hinduism and are also well known as a tourism destination with a variety unique arts and culture. Many tourist destinations. Okay, Bali is also known as the island of the gods and the island of 1,000 temples. Bali is very well known as a favorite tourist destination for domestic and foreign tourists. Okay, after we know Bali is the most popular destination in Indonesia, the cultural richness that Bali has also reflect in its traditional security group. The name is Pecalang Bali. It is not known exactly when the Pecalang started to exist in Bali. Pecalang comes from the word of celang in Balinese, which means alert and alert. It can be concluded that the Pecalang is a traditional security officer whose job is to guard, secure both daily activities and carrying out religious activities. For example, ogoh-ogoh paradise, melasti ceremony, ngaben, nyepi day, and many more. Okay, then it can be seen that the Pecalang is a cultural symbol and effort to maintain the integrity of the culture from generation to generation by its people. They continue to try so that technological advance do not erode their ancestral tradition. There is much evidence that can be presented, including the existence of a Pecalang figure in Bali. They have an important role like the police. However, the duties and obligation of a Pecalang are only closely related to tradition. Remarkably, in carrying out these tasks, Pecalang are not paid. Okay, once again, Pecalang are not paid. Being a Pecalang is able to keep Bali safe and respected by the community. Okay, now we will review the Pecalang clothes. The first is udang in the head as a head covering, and then there are clothes that are usually used in black or white. It can also be just a vest that says Pecalang. Then bring the keris tucked into the waist on the front. Okay, after that, black and white cloth. The name is poleng, kain poleng. To give an impression of authority and have a symbolic meaning of strength and supernatural power. Okay, a pecalang is directly elected by a citizen who can be trusted in carrying out a good job. The following are the requirements for becoming a pecalang. Pecalang must nawang. The means that pecalang must control their territory. The second, wanen lan wirang. That is, a pecalang must have a sense of courage because it is true and defend what's right fairly. Celang lan cala. The third, celang lan cala. This means that a pecalang must action quickly or again when there is an problem to be handled. Okay, after that, rumaksa guru. Pecalang must have the character of a teacher, be able to guide and set a good example. And then Satya Bhakti Ikang Widi. Pecalang people who always do good and are devoted to good to God Almighty. Okay, the last, Krama Desa Pakraman. Who can become a pecalang is village who are married. After being elected, a pecalang member also has right and obligation when carrying out his duties. Here are the rights of a pecalang. Okay. The first, pecalang has the right not to cooperate in traditional village facilities. Okay, the second, pecalang has the right to clothing and attributes that make the pecalang special. The third, pecalang has the right to share money from the fines of village who violates the regulation. The last, pecalang has the right to use public facilities belonging to customary village. Okay. Then there are also obligations that pecalang carry out, namely, the first, ngupah desa. The meanings that the pecalang must always be close to the village and the resident. The second, ati tikrama. The meaning that pecalang should always give correct instruction to the village where they work. The third and the last, jaga baya desa. The meaning that the pecalang must protect the village so that is always in good condition. Okay, So here are example ranging from traditional activities and other activities that make pecalang participate in securing these activities. Okay, we'll see that traditional activities such as Melasti ceremony, Nyepi Day, the Ogoh-Ogoh Parade, and Christmas and New Year security that helped the army and the police in 2020. It doesn't feel like it has reached the end of the explanation. So, the conclusion is that the existence of the Pecalang Bali is very important because it has the power of law that can be used to discipline, even prevent these that are considered to threaten Balinese culture. The reason why the Pecalang is relied on the because of the Balinese culture, which is very obedient to custom. Pecalang has a strong charisma, which is able to make the surrounding community relaxed and follow every recommendation from the Pecalang. Of course, every action carried out by the Pecalang has been based on the rules of traditional village, which shelter it so the arrogance does not occur. Okay, so until here for an explanation of Pecalang Bali. Thank you for attention. See you later.